Hello. In this video, I'm going to show how to create pro level clip animation in iMovie with Storyboard. Here, you can choose a theme, which you're actually choosing a template for your locations of putting your clips. They can be edited later. You can then choose your music, color, fonts, filters, or the style. Here you can see the template where you can put clips is added. Now you can edit the clip template boxes or remove it. After that, you could add your clips into it. The add button at the bottom left corner to choose from clips to add. You can drag them to relocate or tap the pen icon and choose edit clip to change clip options. Choosing the rename clip in the pen menu allows you to rename the clip. Thank you.